Hi guys, welcome to Everything Events Event Design Kit tutorial. If you are someone who has already bought our product, thank you very much. It really means a lot. And if you are someone who is just curious to know how does Event Mockup really work, then welcome to our video. Uh, First, I will teach you, show you step-by-step procedure of buying the bundle, and then I will teach you a step-by-step procedure to how to use it on Canva and make your own mockups. So once you go to our website and purchase a bundle and click on buy it now, it will redirect you to your information page. You can put in your contact details along with your email address, and once you make the purchase, you will get a download link on this page itself. If not this, then you will also get an email from us on your registered email ID from where you can access your downloads. Once you uh, once you download it, you can upload it to a drive or to any other storage sources like your hard drive, laptop, iPads, or anything. We recommend you to keep this on drive so that it is easily accessible through all other devices too. Once uploaded on the drive, you will be able to see these kind of folders, and you can go and check in each folder. You will get a lot of images. Now, once we are done with it, uh, I will show you. Let's directly jump onto Canva, and I will show you how to use these templates. Thank you. Once you go to Canva, you can select, you have to create a new design, then go and select on desktop wallpaper. We recommend using desktop wallpaper because it gives you a wider canvas to put your design. We recommend you to have actual venue images where the setup or the event is going to take place. But for now, we will go ahead and select a random image from the elements. We will resize it so that we are able to use this entire image in Canva. Just a second. Yeah. And let's suppose we are making an event mockup for a 16-year-old girl, and the theme is butterfly. So we will access our templates from Google Drive. We can go to all party templates, backdrops, and once we go to backdrops, we will find a lot of different images. For this particular mockup, I'm going to use this arch. We can go to edit photo and we can adjust the color and saturation. We adjust the saturation, it's going to be beige or it's going to be pink. Okay, now let's upload some butterfly wings. Create duplicate, flip. You can adjust the sizes to keep it how proportionate you want to keep it. You can go here and color and keep it a more warmth. Once we are done with this, we can use any pedestal. From here, we can go to Google Drive again and select a pedestal that we want. Pedestal is basically a cake table that we need. We can use any cake table. So from here, we can select the pedestal. Once we go here, you can find pedestals. In the pedestals, I'm going to select a pink color pedestal, which is going to uh, look good with my decor. Let's add some sweets to it. We recommend showing these kind of uh, designs to your clients because it looks more professional rather than we sketching and giving them an idea, or showing them it on Pinterest that I'm going to do your decor like this. It's better that we show them with some professionalism, and you know it's always better to show it with some professionalism to them. And client also kind of this is something uh, that not a lot of event managers are going to do, or practice. So it's better that you have something that is different, this design still looks a bit incomplete, so I guess we will need to add a balloon garland to the setup. So for balloon garlands, let's go here to balloon garlands. Let's select this one. No, it does not look good. So yeah, and just like this, our event mockup is ready. In less than 5 minutes, I was able to do, I was able to design a event for my client, and I can use this design to show it to my client and also show it to show it to my team. And while so that while we are loading the truck from the godown, we are actually sure that what all elements are, are needed at the venue, and we spend less time at the venue figuring out what needs to be done where. So if you find this helpful, go ahead and please purchase our product. We are available 24/7 on our DMs. You can call us anytime if you have any queries, and we will be happy to help. Thank you.